Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on Threads. So if your Threads app has switched to a different language that you don't know, or you wish just to switch to your favorite language, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do this, go to your Threads app on your smartphone and tap on it to open. From here, head to your profile icon down below and then go to these two lines. And under this, look for this option for more settings. Now, under more settings, you can see you have an option for language. If you tap on this, now you will be able to see your current language. For my case, I have English checked as my primary language. Should you want to switch or wish to switch to any language, then scroll down and find your language, then choose on it to select. Now you have to note that post communications will always be on their original languages depending on creators. However, the settings and navigation language will change to your new language. So that's how you can change language on your Threads app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.